In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a star rating in a Gamma presentation quickly and easily. This is a simple but powerful way to make your slides look more polished, more visual, and much easier to understand at a glance. Whether you're creating a product comparison, a review slide, a scoring system, or a ranked list, star ratings can instantly make your presentation feel more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Gamma tips, software tutorials, and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the card where you want to add the rating. This could be a text card, a list card, or any section where you want to display a score or visual rating. Now, hover over the right panel. On the right side of the editor, you'll see a set of layout tools and formatting options. Look for the Smart Layout icon and click it. This is the feature that helps Gamma automatically transform your content into a cleaner, more structured layout. After clicking Smart Layout, scroll down through the available options. You're looking for the star rating option, which is located under the Numbers tab. Gamma groups these layouts in a way that makes it easy to turn simple text into visual elements, and the Numbers section is where you'll find rating style formats. Once you select the star rating layout, Gamma will automatically format the card so it's ready for ratings. At this point, you can type in numerical scores like 4 out of 5 or paste star symbols next to each item if you want a more visual look. You can use this for comparing features, scoring ideas, reviewing tools, or even ranking different options in a presentation. The best part is that Gamma does most of the formatting for you, so you don't need to manually build the rating design from scratch. If the layout doesn't look exactly how you want on the first try, you can still adjust the content and spacing inside the card until it fits your slide perfectly. This makes it easy to keep your presentation consistent while adding a clean professional rating system. So to recap, log into Gamma, open the card you want, click the Smart Layout icon on the right panel, scroll down to the Numbers tab, select the star rating layout, and then enter your scores or star symbols. And that's it. You've now added a star rating in a Gamma presentation. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Gamma tutorials and easy step-by-step software guides.